Hello students, today we are going to walk through how to find the total area S enclosed between the curve of the function and the x-axis. So the function, it says that f of x is equals x into x plus 2 times x minus 1. So when finding enclosing area using calculus, we have to follow the following. The first one, find the graph crosses like x-axis. That means the first step we must do is that find where the graph crosses the x-axis. Where the graph crosses the x-axis, or the zeros of this function, the zeros or the roots. The second one, that means rewrite the function in its expanded form. Expand the function. For the next thing we have to do is that integrate it. Integrate the function by considering their difference with absolute values. Integrate on the intervals. The fourth thing we must do, sum up the total area. Sum them up to get the total area. So we must follow these things. As we are familiar from the given function f of x, the zeros are f of x is equals to 0. What does show? This shows that x into x plus 2 times x minus 1 is equals to 0. What are the zeros for this? The zeros are, which implies x is equal to 0, or x plus 2 is equal to 0, or x minus 1 is equals to 0. It shows x is equals 0, negative 2, and 1 are the zeros of our function. The zeros are this one. So we'll try to arrange them in increasing order. That means the interval we have here is negative to 0, and we have 0 to 1. We have two intervals. On this interval, we must expand our function and see what the value looks like. What the value looks like. That means when expand this, it becomes f of x is equals to x into x plus 2 times x minus 1. This means x into, this is x times x, that is x squared, x times minus 1 minus x plus 2 times x to x, so it becomes x. 2 times negative 1, this is negative 2. Again we expand it. This is equals to x cubed plus x squared minus twice of x. After that, we'll try to find the antiderivatives or integration of this one. That means integrate it. This becomes integration of our f of x with respect to dx is equals to x cubed plus x squared minus twice x with respect to x dx, which is equals x to the power of 4 over 4 plus x to the power of 3 over 3 minus 2x squared over 2, that means x squared. So we'll try to calculate the area between each intervals here. Area. Let's say the first one for this, the antiderivative looks like this. To find the area for each interval, let's be the first one S1. The area S1 is equals to integration of our f of x dx between negative 2 to 0. Then finally take their absolute values, the absolute value of them, which is equals to x to the power of 4 over 4 as we did, that is plus x to the power of 3 over 3 minus x squared between negative 2 to 0, which is equals to, here is 0 plus 0 minus 0 minus, by substitute negative 2 the power of 4, negative 2 the power of 4 over 4 plus negative 2 the power of 3 over 3 minus negative 2 square, which is equals, here is 0 minus negative 2 the power of 4 means 16 over 4, 16 over 4 minus, here is 8 over 3, here is negative 2 square means that is 4, here is minus 4. What value? This is 16 divided by 4, that is 4, 0 minus 4 minus 8 over 3 minus 4. Take this one. This 4 cancelled by this one. Negative of negative 8 over 3, this becomes 8 over 3. We obtain here is one value. Similarly, let's try to find S2. S2, the same, the integration of this 0 to 1 of f of x dx, which is equals, as we did before, here is x to the power of 4 over 4 plus x to the power of 3 over 3 minus x squared between 1 and 0. What value? This is equals 1 over 4 plus 1 over 3 minus 1 minus the whole, here is 0 plus 0 minus 0. That is, ignore this one. Since it is 0, it doesn't change the values that we have. This is equals to, the LCM here is 12. This means 1 times 3, that is 3, plus 1 times 4, 4, minus 12 over, here is over 12. What value? This is equals to negative 5 over 12. As we are familiar, you know that the area cannot be negative. So, in this case, we take all the absolute values of this one. The result also the absolute value of this, which is equals to 5 over 12. Therefore, finally the solution becomes S1 plus S2. That means the total surface area that we want to find, that is S. What's that? The value of the total surface area that we have, 8 over 3 plus 5 over 12, which is equals the LCM, that is 12. 12 divided by 3, 4. 4 times 8, that is 32. Plus 12 divided by 12, 1. 1 times 5, that is 5. Over, it is 12. What value now? This is equals to 32 plus 5 means this is 37 over 12 square units. If it is meter, square meter, centimeter, square centimeter, and so on. So we can solve such problems like this. When you have approached these types of problems, always remember to check for root first, so you know exactly where your curve splits. If you have any question, put your comments below, and don't forget to subscribe, share, and like this channel. Bye bye.